I just got a job at McDonald's. Really? That's so swag. Swag!
What's 9 plus 10?
21? Man, where the f is Mario Judah?
You know what? I can't take this assault right now. I need to blow off some f***ing steam.
Mario, what the f are you doing? You can't start. Why not, Luigi? Because she's 14!
Two bros chilling in the hot tub.
Welcome to the rice fields, mother.
9-volt daylight savings time is gonna happen in 3 days.
Oh, yeah!
What do you guys plan on doing for dinner tonight? Well, Keith, we could do KFC. Sure, I heard that Keith was cuddling with you last night, Tails. Want to do KFC, Keith?
Let's go.
Man, what the fuck? Why is we the only ones that ain't got the brand new iPhones? Now you know that ain't no fucking phone, that's just a can of fucking soup.
Hey, Arn, I haven't seen you in a while. Hi, guys. 9-volt, look at you so handsome with Tails with you.
Ah, thank you.
Like your cut, G.
Hit my car.
What seems to be the problem?
He hit my car, officer. Look, I got the proof right here.
He got a flip phone!
Was he using a flip phone? Who the fuck uses a flip phone?
That's just my old phone I had when I was 8.
Hey boy, I just got that new iPhone. It even got an app to destroy all ops. Oh, damn, that's the wrong fucking app.
Sure, why not, Tails? I had this phone when I was 8 years old. Here you go. Can I see it for a second? Who's that good-looking beast in here? It's me. That's not the new iPhone. It's a flip phone. My mom used to have one of those. I got something even better for you. Yeah? Which one is that?
Now you know that ain't no fucking phone, that's just a can of fucking soup.
No, that's an Android. What's yours?
Bruh.
Tails? Who's my sweet handsome boy? Yeah, I figured you would like that. I used to have a mirror too.
Do I give a fuck? No, not one. How many fucks do I give? 0. Exactly, so therefore your comment is irrelevant.
Oh my god, it's Steve Harvey!
What the fuck you think I'm doing, dumb ass?
Keith, did you get the slap in the neck by me?
I found a big buzz. That's right. A big ass.
You just got nickel Mario'd. Show this with your friend and nickel Mario them.
Bruh.
Hi, Pico.
Hello, it is I, the Sani water bottle.
Don't be looking at my shit like that unless